8 ways empaths and intuitives can use their superpowers every day. There are a lot more empaths and intuitive people in this world than you may realize. It's just that they rarely show themselves and tend to hide their ability to others. Empaths and intuitive people are the gifted individuals, mainly because of their ability to be in tune with the world around them and their capability to feel the emotions and energies of others. You know, being more sensitive to others can be both a blessing and a curse, especially if you can't navigate the constant roller coaster of emotions that can drain you quickly. Therefore, it's important for empaths not to get negatively affected by their sensitiveness and the way it picks up on other people's energy and emotions. If you can manage to control your ability, it will become a great strength that's really useful for you and the people around you. First of all, empaths and intuitive people need to look at the positive aspects of being a spiritual empath rather than seeing it as a curse. In this video, I'm going to show you how a trained empath uses their superpowers on a daily basis. But before moving on to this list, if this video is helpful to you, please help to like and share this video so more empaths can learn how to get the most use of their ability, guys. 8 ways empaths and intuitives can use their superpowers every day. 1. When surrounded by toxic or emotionally needy people. As you already know, empaths tend to attract toxic or emotionally needy people who only want to manipulate and use them. First, you need to maintain a healthy boundary to protect yourself from absorbing their energies. Narcissists and emotionally needy people will always have this innate desire to draw people's attention towards them. And they clearly don't need your help, they only want to use you for their narcissistic supply. So, never fall for their cheap tricks as to believe that they're broken souls who need saving. As an empath, you will know about their tendencies very quick. It won't take long for you to realize that there is something wrong with the person's behavior, but I warn you, though. Try to avoid them as soon as you learn about them. Don't ever try to beat them at their own game, else it would be too hard to escape. 2. When you're near the dying or extremely ill people. Well, this could be a tough experience for empaths. The emotions around could be so overwhelming that you might not be able to handle it. As a mature empath, you should accept that death is natural and nothing to be feared or grieved over for more than necessary. You can still be aware of the pain and the sadness circulating around the place, but you don't necessarily need to pick up those emotions. Or you may still pick up those emotions, but you choose to let go of the emotions whenever you want. 3. Dealing with dishonest and ingenuine people. You already know that empaths and highly intuitive people are walking lie detectors. Telling them lies or trying to hide things from them in any manner can never be successful since they can almost see through it immediately. They can spot dishonesty from a mile away. They will either call out your lie and tell you to stop lying, or they will just ignore you completely. Besides, the more lies people tell, the more apparent the deception becomes. 4. You can read the intention of others. Similar to how they can detect dishonesty, empaths are usually more capable of reading and depicting other people's motives and intentions. They can tell when people are genuine or hiding motives behind. So, if you're not being honest with them, then they won't be the kind of caring person who you can stick around. After all, they only surround themselves with the most positive and authentic people. 5. They are great helpers. Since empaths can feel and understand other people's emotions, they're perfectly capable of helping others and possibly ease their suffering. In fact, some empaths may push themselves to help others, even though they know it will cost them their happiness and well-being. For them, they can only feel joy and happiness if they can use their ability to help others and make a little change to the world. While you might not be able to completely solve or remove people's problems and suffering, after all, they're only humans, they can still see the situation from various perspectives and offer some useful advice. 6. To discern which paths are the best ones to go down. You might not want to say that it's impossible to determine which paths are the ones with the least resistance, but yes, these people can. They know which path is the best route to go down, know how to get there, and what they need to do to get rid of the obstacles. They can see the world from various points of view, and it really comes in handy when making important decisions. 7. When looking for a new house or place to stay. These powers could also be really helpful when empaths or friends are looking for a new house or place to reside in. They don't just see how beautiful the place is from the outside, they also feel the varying energies that reside in that place. Intuitive people know which place is not very pleasant to live and which place would require minimal, energetic cleanup to make it happily habitable. 8. To find out romantic compatibility. Empaths are typically hard to love. It's not because they don't want to get involved in romantic relationships or anything. They just take their time to wait for the ones who are really compatible with them. For them, it's better to stay single rather than trying to have a relationship with someone despite knowing that they're not romantically compatible with them. Well, those are the 8 ways empaths and intuitives can use their superpowers every day. So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoy watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to join our notification squad. Thanks for watching.